class 6, myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the sixth video lecture of the chapter Magnetism. In today's video, we are going to discuss about magnetic compass. What is magnetic compass? It is a instrument that is used to find direction. So what does a magnetic compass have? A magnetic compass have a box like structure. This box like structure can be square, it can be spherical, means circular, no matter how it is a box like structure. In the center there is a protruding part. For example, this is the box and there is a point like this in the center, and on the top of this there is a magnet. So there is a box. In that box, at the center there is a small pin like structure. On that pin there is a magnetic needle placed on that pin. This magnetic needle is free to move, so it can actually, it is pivotal. You know what is pivot joint? You know, in class 5 you have seen what is pivot joint. On this neck, this backbone head is placed, so it can rotate in all the direction. That is called pivotal. Like that, there is a needle at a point at the center of this box, and on that a needle is placed like this. A needle is placed like this. This needle can rotate around this needle, so it is free to rotate. One more thing that has to be kept, this box will be made up of non-magnetic substance. Means the substance that is used to make the box should be non-magnetic, because if it will be magnetic, it will influence the magnet, it will attract the magnet. So it should be non-magnetic. There should be a needle, and this is the magnetic needle, or you can say it is magnetized needle. So this is the north direction and this is the south direction. This is the north pole and this is the south pole. And on the top there is a glass covering like this. A glass cover is placed on the top of this box, and on that glass it is mentioned north, south, east, west. Now if someone is going somewhere, it is on the voyage, it is moving somewhere. So when he went there, so for example, needle is stopped in this direction. Needle is stopped in this direction. So what the person will do, it will align the top glass like this. If it align the top glass like this, so this north pole is facing the north direction, then south pole will face the south direction. Obviously this will be the east and this will be the west. So with the help of compass you can find the direction. If the magnetic needle is pointing in this direction, so we know this is north, this is south, then it will be east, this will be west. If magnet is pointing in this direction, then from here we know this is the north, this is the south, this is the east, this is the west. So with the help of magnetic compass you can find the direction. So in olden time, the travelers or the person who go for the long voyages, they used to keep magnetic compass. You can make your own compass. How you will make an own compass? Take a ball, एक कटोरी लेंगे. In that you will take water. So you will take water, okay, and you take a small thermocol piece. Thermocol, that white color piece that comes along with the, when you buy AC, refrigerator or anything, TV, white color, that structure that support the equipment is called thermocol. Take a small piece of thermocol. Why? It is floating, it will not sink in water. So take a small thermocol piece. Okay, what you have to do, you know how to make your own magnet. I have told you, take a needle, this is the needle, and you can magnetize it with the help of magnet by doing like this. So take a magnet, place on one end of the needle, drag it to other end, lift the magnet, again place on the first end, drag it to next end. Like this you keep on doing for 20 to 30 times. This needle will become magnetized. So now this needle is a magnet. From this you can make out which is north and which is south. What you have to do, hang it freely, or you know this is a magnet, this is north pole, bring it close to this end. If it is repulsing, then it is north pole. If it is attracting, then it is south pole. So with the help of another magnet or by just hanging, you can know which one is north pole and which one is south pole. So for example, the edge with the hole, needle है तो उसमें एक छेद होगा पीछे साइड में. So this is south pole and the pointed end is the north pole. So what you have to do, take the needle, insert in the thermocol. So you insert the needle in the thermocol. So this is the south pole, this is the north pole. Now leave it in water, because thermocol is lightweight, it will not sink in water, and this needle is magnetized, it means it is acting as magnet. So automatically it will orient itself around the north and south. So when you know north and south, you know this is the east, this is the west. So with the help of a small thermocol piece, a magnetized needle, a ball with water, you can make your own compass. But one thing you have to make sure that this needle or the magnetized needle along with the thermocol should not touch the ball. It should be at the center. मतलब ये ball को छूना नहीं चाहिए. Okay, if it will touch the ball, then it will not free to rotate, so it will not give appropriate. But if it is at the center, it will act as compass. Okay, so hope you understand how you can make your own compass and what does a magnetic compass contain. You have to write in this way. There should be a box made up of non-magnetic substance. At the center there is a magnet placed in such a way that it can freely rotate, and on the top there is a cover of glass, and that glass have marking of the directions north, south, east and west. So when this magnetic compass is held in hand, it will align towards the north direction and south direction, so we will get the direction of east and west also. With the help of magnetic compass we can find direction. Okay, thank you.